Living Flame number 41, will see you again. We go back to John chapter 16 and we read, "So you also are now in anguish, but I will see you again, and your hearts will rejoice, and no one will take your joy away from you. On that day, you will not question me about anything. Amen, amen, I say to you, whatever you ask the Father in my name, He will give you. You are in anguish now, but I will see you again, and your hearts will rejoice." What a consoling promise from the Lord. Nakapagbibigay ito ng pag-asa, nakapagbibigay ng lakas sa ating lupaypay na damdamin, sa ating aandap-andap na pananampalataya. I will see you again. Sa atin po na maraming pinagdadaan ng pagsubok at kalungkutan, kahapon, ito po yung binigyan natin ng diin. He will turn your grief into joy. But now, the Lord is assuring us, why are we able to turn, or why is He able to turn your grief into joy? Because everything is not lost yet. Hindi naman mawawala ang lahat. I will see you again. Sa isang taong nawala ng mahal sa buhay, asawa, anak, kamag-anak o kaibigan, the Lord is telling you today, you will see them again. Isn't that so amazing? Jesus makes a promise to us that our life does not end in separation or distance. Ng ating buhay, ang ating pamilya, pagkakaibigan, ang mga taong mahalaga sa atin, mga bagay na mahalaga sa atin, we will see them again. In the end, death cannot separate us from one another. Nothing can separate us from the love of God. Not sickness, not death, not separation, not distances. Nothing can separate us from one another. So this living flame, again, gives us a new chance to get up, to start all over again. Matagal na tayong nasa kalungkutan. Matagal na tayong nakalugmok. Inaanyayahan tayo ng Panginoon ngayon na hayaan mo na. For now, you don't see them. For now, you feel that you are alone. For now, you think that no one is there beside you. For now, you think that all is lost in your life. But that is not true. Hindi totoo yan. Ang pangako ni Jesus ay ang totoo. I will see you again. And we will see each other again. Kahit dito pa lang sa ating karanasan, dito sa paglalakbay natin sa lupa, totoo na ito. Minsan po, may mga kaibigan tayo na matagal na nating hindi nakikita. Pero isang araw na hindi mo naman plinano, andyan na sila ulit at binulaga ka na ulit sa isang parish pilgrimage po. Ito yung karanasan ng isang pilgrim na hindi niya lubos akalain na makikita silang muli ng kanyang kaklase na 40 taon na niyang hindi nakikita. They did not recognize each other at first, but later on, when they were exchanging stories, they realized that they were classmates before. Long, long, long time ago, 40 years ago in fact, when they were so much younger. And they were so happy in that pilgrimage. They had a chance to rekindle stories, to look back to what they were before. It was a chance of seeing each other again. It's always a beautiful sight to witness a reunion of people who have long been away from each other. It's also beautiful to see people seeing each other again eye to eye. Yung mga hindi na nagkakaintindihan, hindi na nag-uusap, magandang makita yung kanilang pagkakasundo, pagkapatawad, when they're able to see each other again, na hindi na lang nila dinadaan-daanan o iniiwasan ang isa't isa. To see each other again. This is such a beautiful gift of Easter for us, and a promise that the Lord wants to fulfill in your life. You will see again. You will see people again. You will meet each other again. You will see each other in time, according to God's plan in your life.